What we're doing here today is replacing the anode rod in a water heater. It's absolutely essential that you relieve the pressure in there, so I had turned the cold water off going to it. I turned the electric off, because this is an electric hot water heater. If you have a gas hot water heater, you would want to turn your gas off as well. And on the very top here, there is a plug. We'll take and remove that plug, and I'll get the camera up there and show you the top of the anode rod. Okay, the top of the anode rod here, we had some insulation on it. I took a screwdriver here and cleaned that out. It was kind of buried in there, and you need a 1 1/16 socket to remove it. You turn it out counterclockwise. Okay, before we remove it, you want to open up one of the faucets in the house and relieve the pressure from the hot water heater. So turn the hot water on and leave it open. Okay, I managed to break this free here. Sometimes you need to move it back and forth, tighten it up just a little bit, and then try to loosen it up. You also may want to put a impact on there, but be careful. So we got it loose here, and before we pull it out, I went and emptied a little bit out of the top of the water heater. So now that's completely loose, we'll go ahead and pull the old anode rod out. So what you want to do is take and put some Teflon tape on the threads of your new anode rod, and it's not actually sticky tape, but you just take and put it on there in a clockwise position here. Go around about 4 times and then just pull it off, and we'll go ahead and put our new anode rod in. The sealing is too close to the water heater to get in there, so you would want to purchase one of these that is cut out here, and then it'll flex a little bit to get it in. Good thing here we didn't have to do that. Simply slide your anode rod in there and tighten that up. We'll place our little cap on the top there. We'll go ahead and turn our faucet off, turn the electric back onto this, or if the gas, relight the pilot light, and we'll turn the water on going to the hot water heater. Okay, got the faucet turned off inside. Go ahead and open our valve here. The water heater fill back up, and we'll go ahead and turn the electric on. We're all set. One last thing you would want to check is to make sure that it's not leaking around the top where you screwed it in.